In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your anti-gravity quota and limits quick guide. Before we jump in, here's what you're looking for. Your quota is the allowance you have for a given period, and limits are the caps that anti-gravity enforces per model or overall. Knowing where to read these numbers helps you avoid surprise throttling, failed requests, or unexpected slowdowns near the end of a billing cycle. First, open Antigravity. Once you're in, give the interface a second to fully load so all usage widgets can populate accurately. The layout may look slightly different depending on your theme or role, but the sections we need are available in the standard navigation. Next, open Settings. You'll typically find this by looking for a gear icon in the navigation area. Settings brings all the account, workspace, and usage information into one place. If you land on a general profile page, don't worry, what you need is still within this area. Usage information often depends on your workspace context, so note which workspace name appears at the top of the page. Quotas are usually tracked per workspace or organization rather than per individual project. Then, open Models from the left menu. This is where Antigravity groups model configurations alongside usage controls. On this screen, look for a panel or section labeled Quota, Limits, or Usage. You should see a combination of progress bars and numbers that tell you how much capacity you've consumed and how much is left. Many setups show the current cycle, a reset date, and separate breakdowns for requests, tokens, compute seconds, or other units, so read the unit label carefully. As you review the data, keep an eye on three things. 1. The billing or usage cycle window. This indicates when your counters reset, which is critical for planning high-volume tasks. 2. Any soft versus hard limits. Soft limits might trigger warnings or temporary throttling, while hard limits stop requests until the next cycle or an upgrade. 3. Per model caps. Some models have tighter rate ceilings or different unit accounting, so even if your overall quota looks fine, a single model might be the bottleneck. If something doesn't look right, remember that some details only show up for users with billing or admin permissions. You may see partial metrics if your role is restricted. Also, usage can lag by a short interval on very active accounts, so recent spikes may take a moment to appear. That's it. Open Antigravity, open Settings, and open Models from the left menu. From there, read the quota or limits area to see your current consumption, remaining capacity, and reset schedule so you can plan confidently and avoid hitting caps.